Introducing the new Imagebon H70 Pro Dashcam. This 11.4-inch 4K ADAS QLED dashcam offers powerful performance and a sleek, modern design. Equipped with wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, it provides seamless smartphone integration for a clutter-free, hands-free driving experience. Thanks to H.265 video compression, the H70 Pro captures high-quality footage while consuming less storage. Your recordings remain secure and space-efficient. The dashcam supports wireless phone link and mirror link. It allows you to cast apps directly from your iPhone or Android to the device and operate them from the touchscreen. Note: Huawei phones are not supported. With AirPlay and Miracast, you can mirror audio, video, and screen content wirelessly for playback directly on the dashcam. It features a dual camera system. A UHD 4K 3840 by 2160 front camera with a 170-degree wide angle, and a 1080p rear camera with a 150-degree field of view. This ensures clear recording of every detail on the road, day or night. Please select the rear camera option if needed. The 11.4-inch QLED touchscreen, with a 1920 by 720 resolution, offers vibrant visuals and smooth navigation. Advanced driver assistance systems bring a layer of safety to your journey. The system includes lane departure warning, forward collision warning, and a front vehicle starting reminder. To enable these features, a GPS antenna is recommended. With it, lane departure warnings are triggered above 50 km per hour. Without GPS, the warnings will trigger regardless of speed. UHD 4K night vision ensures your drives are protected even in low light. The camera records with clarity, giving you peace of mind during night travel. Using H.265 video encoding technology, the H70 Pro offers 1. Higher compression efficiency than H.264, saving storage space. 2. Clearer, smoother images with less motion blur and distortion. Built with reliability in mind, it features Wi-Fi connectivity, external GPS support, anti-surge voltage protection, anti-fog coating, anti-vibration engineering, a built-in rearview mirror display, and a parking monitor for added security. Memory card required, class 10 or higher. Records at 30 frames per second. Rear camera included. Touchscreen included. Night shot functionality built in.